My name is Sarah. I am 36 years old and I am married. My husband's name is Mark and he is 58. We have been married for 18 years. We have 2 children, a son who is 17 and a daughter who is just 2. Mark works and I stay home to take care of the kids and the house. Life seemed fine until one day I found out something terrible. Mark has a girlfriend. I felt so hurt and confused. I asked him about it, but he got angry. He said I was making a problem out of nothing. But I knew something was wrong. One night, I checked his phone. When he caught me, he yelled at me. He said I had no right to check his phone. I was scared but determined. Later, I looked at his phone bill and saw a number he called every day. I called the number and a woman answered. She admitted she was Mark's girlfriend. She was the same age as me and married too. She said, "It's not my fault if your husband loves me." I couldn't believe what I was hearing. I told Mark I knew the truth, but he didn't care. He said, "I'll stop when I feel like it." I cried and begged him to think about our family. This isn't the first time he cheated. He did this when our son was born too. Now with our baby girl, it's happening again. I'm not working right now because I'm taking care of the baby. We have a loan for our house and I can't pay it alone. Mark knows this, and he acts like he can do whatever he wants. He even said he could have more girlfriends if he wanted. Our son tried to talk to him, but Mark got angry and shouted at him too. It's like he doesn't care about us anymore. One day, Mark didn't come home at night. He said he was working late, but I didn't believe him. He didn't call or text. When he came back in the morning, he looked angry and told me to stop asking questions. He spends a lot of money now on gifts and fancy dinners. I checked our bank account and saw it all. He's spending on his girlfriend while we struggled to manage our bills. This stress is making me sick. I can't sleep or eat. I feel tired all the time. The doctor told me to rest, but how can I? My husband is cheating, and I don't know how to fix it. Our son feels embarrassed about his dad and doesn't talk much anymore. Our baby girl is too young to understand, but I worry about her future. I want her to grow up in a happy family. I told my best friend everything. She said I should leave Mark, but how can I? I have no job, and I can't take care of the kids alone. My family says I should stay strong and hope Mark changes, but I'm scared he never will. I love Mark even after all this pain. I want him to come back to us, to care about our family again. But I don't know if that will ever happen. Right now, I feel lost and broken, like I'm stuck in a dark place.